Hello teacher and friends, today I am going to make menemen for you. 1 onions, 3 tomato, 5 green pepper, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon salt, 2 eggs. First cut onions. A green pepper, second peel 3 tomato and diced thyme. Then cook the cooked peppers until they become soft and add the diced tomato. After that, crack 2 eggs into a bowl, mix thyme and pour the mixture into the frying pan. Finally, add a tablespoon of salt cookie for 5 minutes. And serve it hot. Enjoy your meal.